Hello from Houston. This is Mary Lou, welcoming you to my YouTube channel, Unearthing Nature. Today I'd like to give you a sneak preview of how I brought Christmas to my garden. I actually would like to focus your attention on this Capiz white balls. Capiz actually comes from the province of Capiz in the Philippines, which is the seafood capital of the country. And they actually come from mollusks, and their shells are used decoratively. They're actually made to come. Its natural color is white, but they're made to come in different colors. Truly, I love those little stars as you see them. They make them in several different kinds. As you will see from a distance, I have those two Christmas stars. Love them. It's another focal area that I have created. This will actually come to life in the evening. You still see my lovable bromeliads, which are actually my tropical favorites, hanging on those trees, actually propped on nails on trees. I actually just uncovered this long unused white Capiz balls that I have stored for a long time. Now I'm appreciating them again. So I've hanged them on the driftwoods with those plants, and I love this corner too, another one of my focal areas. Love those birds' nests propped on the driftwood. And here's another colorful area. And I actually used some of my holly branches that were trimmed and propped on a driftwood, again graced by those Capiz balls. So, to bring your attention to this beautiful, happy, starting to bloom Christmas cactus that is amazingly white. Oh, this was a rare find, and I'm so happy that it bloomed for the first time. It has 2 full blooms, and the rest are coming soon. I hope they stay till Christmas. So as I said, this is Christmas during the day, and we'll be back. But before I say goodbye, I'd like to bring your attention to this profusely blooming red Christmas cactus. I will be back with Christmas by night in my garden. In the meantime, if you have still not subscribed, I would like to invite you to do so. Unearthing Nature, saying bye for now.